The largest AI acquisition in history just happened, and if you miss the next 60 days, you will regret it for the rest of your career. Elon Musk's SpaceX just bought Cursor, the AI coding tool, for $60 billion, all stock, confirmed via SEC Form 8K filed yesterday, June 16th. This is not a rumor. This is not speculation. This is the biggest corporate AI deal since Microsoft bought Activision, and it happened just days after SpaceX's own record-breaking IPO, the largest IPO in history. Let me tell you exactly what this means for your income as a developer, a freelancer, or a solo founder, because the window to act is right now, and it's closing fast. First, who is Cursor? If you're not using it yet, Cursor is the AI-powered code editor built by Anysphere, with 40 million developers on its platform. Not users, developers. And every single one of them just became part of the SpaceX ecosystem. SpaceX, which is now the fourth most valuable company in the United States, ahead of Amazon and Microsoft, after SBCX shares jumped 17% on this news alone. Here's what nobody is talking about. SpaceX and Cursor are already building a joint AI model together. That means the same company launching rockets into orbit is now building the AI that writes your code. That's not a metaphor. That is the literal future of software development. Now, why does this matter to you right now, June 17th? Because integrations, pricing changes, and access restrictions always follow massive acquisitions, and they will follow this one too. Based on the typical corporate playbook, you have a 60 to 90-day window before SpaceX starts layering in enterprise pricing tiers, locking features behind paywalls, or pivoting Cursor's roadmap towards SpaceX internal use cases. So here are 5 concrete ways you can turn this acquisition into real money, starting today. Number 1, the AI native developer arbitrage. Right now, in mid-2026, Cursor-fluent freelancers are commanding $150 to $250 per hour on TopTal and Upwork. Compare that to $60 to $90 per hour for developers who don't use AI tools. That's a 2 to 3x income multiplier, and it's real. The gap is only going to widen as SpaceX brings institutional money and attention to the Cursor brand. If you are not billing yourself as a Cursor specialist today, you are leaving thousands of dollars on the table every single month.
Number 2, the Cursor consultant play. Thousands of small and medium businesses are waking up this morning asking, what does this SpaceX acquisition mean for our dev team? They don't know how to use Cursor. They don't know how to set up AI coding workflows. You do. Package a $1,500 to $3,000 Cursor onboarding service, 2 to 4 hours of setup, workflow templates, and a training call. Post it on Upwork today. I'm serious. Do it today. Number 3, the ship fast window. If you're a solo founder with an MVP idea, you have a narrow window right now to build and launch using Cursor plus Claude or GPT-5 before any pricing or access changes hit. The time to ship is before the acquisition closes and the roadmap shifts. Every week you wait is a week closer to potential access changes. If you found this valuable, smash that subscribe button right now. We cover these AI money opportunities every single day before the rest of the internet catches up. Number 4, the stock play. SPCX is up 17% today. That ship may have partially sailed for a pure momentum trade, but the smarter play is the Cursor adjacent infrastructure. Look at Snowflake, MongoDB, and Cloudflare. These companies run a massive portion of the inference infrastructure that AI coding tools rely on. Databricks just released Genie 1 today, an agentic AI coworker, and they're heading toward an IPO. Microsoft just went GA with Copilot Cow today, priced below Claude Cow, taking direct aim at Anthropic, which is currently buried in an export control crisis. The AI infrastructure race is accelerating, and smart investors are watching the picks and shovels plays, not just the headline names. Number 5, the job arbitrage. Cursor-fluent engineers are being poached at a 40 to 60% compensation premium right now. If you're employed and haven't updated your LinkedIn to highlight AI-native coding skills, you are actively costing yourself money. Recruiters are actively hunting for people who can ship 5x faster with AI tools. That's the market signal. Use it. Here's the big picture. We are living through the single most compressed period of wealth creation in the history of software. Yesterday, ChatGPT hit 1 billion users. Today, the world's most ambitious aerospace company just paid $60 billion for the AI tool that developers love most. G7 leaders are meeting in France right now with AI governance at the top of the agenda. The entire industry is moving at warp speed. The people who win in this environment are the ones who move in the first 60 days, not the ones who wait to see how it it plays out. The Cursor window is open right now. The freelance window is open right now. The infrastructure investment window is open right now. So here's what I want you to do. Drop a comment below telling me which of these 5 strategies you're going after first. Are you going freelance Cursor consultant? Are you shipping your MVP this week? Are you updating your LinkedIn right now? Tell me. I read every comment. And if this video gave you one actionable idea worth real money, hit that like button and subscribe, because we put out content like this every single day for builders, coders, and people who want to get ahead of the AI wave before everyone else does. The acquisition just happened. The clock is ticking. Go.